How to transfer money from Wise to GCash. So once you have opened up the main page of Wise, we have to select send money, and right here just leave it as international. So you have to type out the amount that you want to send right here, as well as the currency that you will be sending from. And for the recipient, we want to click on this drop down menu and we want to change it to Philippine pesos. So if we do 1000 from this currency, then we can click on continue. So once you have clicked on continue, here it will ask you who the recipient is, but we're sending money to ourselves, so we have to click on myself. And right here is the most important part. We have to select e-wallet. So from the e-wallet provider, we can select GCash, and we have to type out our e-wallet number, which you can find on your GCash website or application. So just copy your number, paste it right here, and just confirm that everything is right, and you have to click on confirm. It will just tell you to review the information once more, and then you can actually go through with the transfer. So that's how you transfer money from Wise to GCash. Hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.